how you can reset your end-to-end encrypted chat PIN code on your Messenger app. So Facebook Messenger allows you to set a end-to-end encrypted PIN that will allow you to restore your chats if you are using another device. So I'm going to show you how you can reset the PIN. First, open your Messenger app, then tap on the three dot at the top left. Then tap on this gear icon to open your settings. And once you find the settings, go down under preferences. You will find privacy and safety. You open that, and then here under app lock, you can find end-to-end encrypted chats. And the very first option is message storage. You're going to open it. Okay. Here you can find the option to reset your PIN. You're just going to tap on it and set a new PIN that will be memorable to you or you can remember easily. And then you have to confirm your PIN once again and submit. And that's how you can easily reset your end-to-end encrypted PIN on Messenger. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you on the next one. Thank you for watching.